What's up? Welcome to Kissinger's Introductions. I am your host, Vince Kissinger, and today we're doing something very fun, and I'm looking forward to doing this. So are you ready to find out what I'm planning on doing? Alright, here we go. I am about to make my first ever chocolate soda. Chocolate soda, that's right. I'm looking forward to doing this. So are you ready to learn to make your very own chocolate soda? Let's get to the table. Here we are once again, right here in the Kissinger's table. And you just heard it. The special project we're going to do here today is we're going to make chocolate soda. And I've been watching through the internet and also on YouTube with a couple of people, and I forget who they were, but they do their chocolate a little bit differently, so I'm going to do it my way. So hopefully you're interested in finding out how to make chocolate soda. So once again, here's what you're going to need. A shot glass, so you can have something to drink out of. A bottle, a plastic bottle. A funnel, just like this. And I'll explain it, why you need it. Chocolate syrup. This is what you're going to need big time to make it. Chocolate syrup. Some milk, and this is what I prefer, 2% milk. And also soda. So you're going to need soda. So that's what you're going to need right there. Okay, since you got everything that you needed, are you ready to make chocolate soda? Alright, brilliant. So here's what we're going to do. Step one, you got to open the plastic bottle and grab your funnel, and you got to put chocolate in it. And I don't think it matters how much you put in it, but I'm just gonna guess how many you do. So make sure get the syrup out. Look at that. Oh yeah. I don't know how much chocolate I'm putting in, but I would say at least a cup or 2 cups of chocolate to go inside here. If necessary, if not all of it goes in, just grab like a plastic fork or a spoon or something like that and just push the rest of the chocolate in. Just push it all in. Love chocolate syrup. So that's what it should look like. I don't know if it's about a cup, so I'm just guessing it's a cup. So next step, you get the milk, and you put the milk with the chocolate. Take the funnel out, get the cap, and shake it. So it looks like chocolate milk. So I got that done. Make sure it don't explode on me. So open it very slowly so it doesn't explode. So that's how much chocolate milk I got in there. And now for the best part here, the soda. Alright, since we got the soda in, now the final touch. Shake it off what is left. Okay, I think that's enough. So since that's settling down, I'm going to tell you the steps. So step 1, you start with the chocolate syrup, and you put at least a cup or 2 cups. Second step, you do the milk and pour it in with the chocolate. Step 3, shake it up. Step 4, add the soda, and I can go with club soda. It is like regular soda. So once you're done that, the next step is to shake it all up. And now, getting ready for the last step is tasting it. So grab the shot glass, and let's try the chocolate soda. Make sure to open it slowly so it does not explode. Alright, here we go. I got my shot of chocolate soda. So, I'm ready to try this. Let's try it out. So, cheers, everybody. Whoa! Oh my gosh. You guys gotta try this. You just gotta try this. Oh my gosh. Whoa! That is so delicious. It tastes just like chocolate. So, you just saw. It's very easy. You just need chocolate, milk, soda. That is it for all this. And I feel like drinking out of this right here. Oh my gosh. That is so delicious. You guys gotta try this chocolate soda. So everybody, that is our chocolate soda. I just fell in love with it. So, make sure to check out all my other videos. Make sure to subscribe. Right down the bottom, make sure to subscribe. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Check me out. So, you can find other videos on my website once you subscribe. There's going to be more videos coming in. So, see you next time on Kissers and Productions. So long, everybody. Cheers. Hey everybody, thank you for watching on today's video, and I just want to give you a heads up that make sure to go to the social media networks to find me on there. Make sure to follow, like, subscribe, and especially the channel, so go down below and subscribe, and I'll give you the website just in case. Is www.youtube.com/MrKissinger101. So, thank you for watching this video. Here's some other videos that you can find right here on this website. So, hopefully you enjoy it. So, make sure to subscribe, and I'll be looking forward to it. And more videos will be coming soon. Enjoy all the examples of the other videos that I've done. So, hoping you enjoy it. See you in the next video.
That was awesome, man.
Oh, yeah.
That was fucking awesome.
So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So, you saw all the steps to make your... What?
I think I just killed him.
Karma's a bitch.